In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Discord mic not working. First, check your input device in Discord. Open User Settings, then go to Voice and Video. Under Input Device, make sure the correct microphone is selected. Speak into your mic and check if the input bar is moving. Next, scroll down and check your input volume. Make sure it's not set too low or muted. You can also toggle Automatically Determine Input Sensitivity off and manually adjust the slider so Discord can detect your voice properly. If your mic still isn't working, check your device permissions. On your computer, go to your system sound settings and make sure your microphone is enabled and set as the default input device. Also confirm that Discord has permission to use your microphone. Another quick fix is to restart Discord or run it as administrator on Windows. You can also try plugging your mic into a different port or reconnecting your headset. If you're using a browser, try switching to the Discord app instead or use a different browser. After these steps, your microphone should work properly in Discord. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.